Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing 1Rolls.pro. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically another betting website or another gambling website. So as you can see, this is what it looks like on their website. And then I'm just going to say right off the bat that this is more than likely a scam, since it has all the features of a scam, and basically what they're trying to do is just gather information from you and then just gather your payment information. So as you can see, we have it here on Trustpilot and see that they're rated 2.5 out of 5 stars with 10 reviews. So as you can see, 1 star, name servers, I don't know, yet they claim to be in existence since 2017. There is no sign of them before last month. My work was to warn it's up to from here if you still want to take a chance. I was shown a fake balance of $1,250.9. Beware this app. Hello, beware this casino is fake. I don't know what this is supposed to mean. Hussein Samo Pakistan Nawashah. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. Fake website, cited as a scam. 9 game, thank you. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. Withdrawal from account, and then that's basically it. So 80% of these are 1 star. So please guys, it is very obviously a scam. Please do not fall for this. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.